driving a run here. And it's going to be a ground ball on the left side of the infield. Culpepper cuts it off. He'll go the short way to second. 5-4. More action down in the Mud Hens bullpen. As Brian Sammons is loosening for the Mud Hens. He could certainly be a bulk guy tonight. No, though, to Hao-Yu Lee as the righty delivers. Ground ball, high chop over to first. Grabbing that is Wagaman. He'll underhand flip to Brito, covering the bag, 3-1. And there's 2 quick outs here in the bottom of the 4th.
Long reliever, spot starter. I'd get about 10 or 11 starts a summer.
Fly ball, shallow right field, and on the run, it's going to be the second baseman, Hao-Yu Lee, who's going to come up with it. 2 down for Brian Sammons.
So I would, you playing all those various roles, and they're just trying to figure out how they can use me. I'm trying to find out what I'm best suited for.
Now bringing Dad over here, Dad, how much pressure did you feel going into that game?
Felt a lot of pressure. I have to give all the credit to my teammate, though. The passes were perfect. All I had to do was just cradle them because they were hitting me in the chest every time. Solid passes. All the credit goes to my teammate.
Now, did you expect to have to do that many squats going into that challenge?
It's just part of the game. I trained beforehand, and, it worked out pretty well.
A great duo. Guys, congrats on the win.
We saw John Brebbia last year. Had a couple appearances for the Mud Hens.
Back. Still feels like he can get it done. Obviously still can. He loves the game.
Brebbia last year, 3 times for Atlanta. Swing and a foul tip into the glove of Cardenas. He's got back-to-back Ks. He'll set fire. Lined softly in the air right to the second baseman, Hao-Yu Lee. Easy out there. He takes the lead off of first. Pitch is low and outside to Hao-Yu Lee at the dish. Big hole in the right side of the infield as he takes a strike. 1-1, runner goes, line shot. Oh, that's trouble. Caught by the shortstop Arcia. He'll just tag out Stevenson. Hit and run, and it doesn't work for the Mud Hens. It's a double play. Second, Hanafy got him in the 4th. Salmon's got him last time up. Ground ball over to third. They'll go to second one. Relay not in time. Fielder's choice there. Good play by Cruz, though, to cut down the front runner.
That was a really nice double play right here, even though we don't get the runner at first. Slow hit, Cruz charges, makes a good feed, great turn. Almost turned it, which would have been a very difficult double play to make.
And the pitch gonna be low. Cardenas tried, I think, to challenge there. I think he didn't realize that there was no challenges left. Yep.
Ball's down.
Oh, it is the challenge. We'll see here. And it's a ball. Well, they don't have a challenge anymore. Well, they are officially out of challenges. 0 for 3 tonight. So it's 2-0 on Hao-Yu Lee. And the pitch low. 3-0. Jace Young on deck. And Lee drives it high in the air on the 3-0 pitch. It's going to be playable for the center fielder, Kreidler. He'll make the catch. And somehow, 1-1 is chopped up the middle. Ranging over behind the bag is Lee. He'll fire over in time to get Culpepper. That does move the runner up. On the ground out, 4-3.
Nice play by Hao-Yu Lee right there. Ball was not very hard hit to the shortstop side of second base and took a good angle, circled it, was able to get a good strong throw over there and plenty of time to get Culpepper.
Now you bring the in. And a chopper going over to get that is Lee on the infield. He'll fire over to first in time, 4-3. We'll go to the bottom of the third, 27 ERA. Because he's allowed 9 earned runs in 3 innings. And he gives up a high fly ball to right to Hao-Yu Lee. That is caught. Tagging and moving up is Stevenson. So Hao Yu Lee flying out. There's one quick out. Might have